I'm sitting with one of my patients who traveled from Arkansas to Florida to have his back fixed. You had that done just less than 24 hours ago. How are you feeling today?
Feeling very good, very good. No pain. The surgery went very good. I've got an incision about like that. And
Quarter inch?
yeah, all I had to do is lay there and let you do your job.
You've had back pain now for 20 years, you said, right?
Yeah.
What have you done over the years to treat it, and did they work?
I've done all sorts of stretching, physical therapy type things. I even went to a chiropractor for a while. Nothing worked. Might feel better for a day or two, but nothing worked. Then finally, last December, it got excruciating. The most that I could do then was to lay in my recliner and try to find a comfortable position. And then at work, there's a special chair there for me to sit in, for me to get in like a position that I could stand it. To even walk in from my truck to work was an effort, and my left leg would be flopping by the time I got into work. So it's been pretty bad. It was pretty bad.
And do you still have that same pain in your back?
I don't have any pain right now. No pain.
Are you happy about that?
I'm very happy about that. Very happy.
Yeah.
I went to...
I'm happy too.
I went to an orthopedic surgeon in Arkansas, and he said, well, we'll do a fusion. And I went to a neurosurgeon in Arkansas, and he said, well, we'll do discectomies. I didn't like the sound of any of those, and I know that wasn't a solution, so I kept searching and searching, and I found you.
And we did your MRI review.
I've sent in my MRI, and you guys told me what you could do, that I was a good candidate for it. Came down here, and I've gotten it done.
And you can see in our video that you had the laser go in there and clean out those 2 discs in your lower back, and then it went really well. We didn't have any problems. We lost maybe a few drops of blood, that was all. No hospitalization.
None. I went to the hotel last night. I got up this morning, took a shower. I'm back here for a checkup.
When did you realize the pain in your back and leg were gone?
Right after the surgery. It's good. You know, once you do your research, get out there and you hit enough concrete walls and you get tired of it, then come here and get it done, taken care of. This is easy and it's effective.
When do you guys head back to Arkansas?
Tomorrow morning.
Well, enjoy yourself.
I sure will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome,
Appreciate
sir.
it.
My pleasure. Thank you. Thanks for sharing your story.